What's going on YouTube? John here again from J&J Tech Geeks. This time showing you guys another video. This time it is a how-to video, how to change the RAM from the MacBook unibody. In my case it is repairing it, but also can be used to install, to uninstall, or to upgrade RAM from what you already have inside your MacBook laptop. So first you're going to need the proper tools, and that is a Phillips head 3-inch screwdriver. Now this here is the bad RAM that was in it. This particular MacBook has 2 gigs of RAM. This would be one of those gigs, so it is currently only running on 1 gig right now. So I took it to the Apple Store and I had an issue with it where I had codes coming down to the left side of the MacBook, and this happened completely out of nowhere. So if you guys have this problem, have had this problem, this will solve it. I pretty much took it to the Apple Store and they said it was a RAM issue and found that it was this little bugger right here. So what I did was purchase the RAM on my own. Now it is up to you whether you want to purchase it through a different company, but Apple is more than willing to solve that issue for you. But it is just as easy to purchase it and install it, which I'm about to show you. And not only that, was the price that they were going to charge me, I actually upgraded the size and RAM and also saved $30, which I'll show you here. I upgraded for the Apple MacBook 2.4 gigahertz Intel 2 Duo processor for a 4 gig now. I had 2 1 gigs, now I have 2 gigs, so this is a total of 4 gigs now. So it's going to run a little faster, and it's going to be able to process a lot faster. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. I actually got this from Crucial Memory, and it is very simple to find which particular RAM you need. When I went to this website, Crucial.com, you simply shop for the manufacturer, which would be Apple in this case. Then you find your capability, and so again you choose Apple, and it directs you to which particular MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. This case it would be the original MacBook, and the model, this one is easy to find. All you have to do is cut your computer on and then go to your about, and this I already know from doing that. It is the 2.4. So you're immediately presented with the best recommended upgrade, and this is the exact one that I got. Is the DDR2, which is the type, and it was the 4 gig kit, which comes with 2 RAMs. So this package just simply says Mac on it. It lets you know what you're about to get yourself into, and it even shows you how you're going to have to slide this particular RAM inside of this device. I'm sorry, laptop. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and open this. And there you have it. This is what's inside. So, the important step. I'm going to flip your laptop over, and you're going to be presented with 8 screws. And I will fast forward this. As you notice, I did all of the top. I did not go up, down, no, I did the top row. Alright, now that all the screws are out, just want to lift up on this. And for those of you that have never seen the inside of a MacBook like myself, this is it. And so as you see right here, this is where your RAM is going to be. And you notice it only has 1 in there because this one right here was causing all the trouble in it, and it is out. So you just want to push back on that and lift this out and insert the good ones in. And again, you guys, I did not say this earlier, but I recommend you not have the laptop plugged in, nor do you have it powered on. That would be your safest bet. So you have these prongs right here that you have to make sure that these are aligned correctly. And trust me, this thing we call a computer is very smart, so it will know if you are if it is incorrectly. So you just want to make sure it's all the way in that notch, and then press down on it. So you should be able to lift it up by that part. So you know that that one is securely in place. Next, you just want to do the next RAM the same way. You want to put it in that notch, make sure that those brackets are in there, and then put down. So those are both in there. Easy as that. Next step, put the case back on. And get to screwing these back in. Okay, now that that is all done, we can power on the laptop, because that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe, like, share. You know, watch the video again, rewind it, fast forward it, get to the part that you need, you know, the most help on. And I appreciate you guys watching.